Web development is a critical field in today's digital world, where businesses rely on websites and web applications to connect with customers, provide services, and drive growth. Web developers are responsible for designing, building, and maintaining these platforms, ensuring functionality, performance, and user experience. Interviews for web developer roles assess technical proficiency, problem-solving skills, and the ability to adapt to changing technologies. In this video, we will explore common web developer interview questions, along with sample answers and practical tips. This guide helps candidates present their technical knowledge, coding skills, and problem-solving approach clearly, making them stand out as capable professionals. Structured answers and examples from past experience are key to conveying both competence and confidence during the interview. The role of a web developer. Web developers design, code, and maintain websites or web applications. Their responsibilities may include front-end development, building the user interface, back-end development, managing server-side logic and databases, or full-stack development, handling both aspects. Employers look for developers who can write clean code, troubleshoot issues, optimize performance, and collaborate effectively with designers and project managers. Preparing structured answers and demonstrating practical problem-solving skills showcases your readiness for this dynamic role. Question 1. Can you describe your experience with web development? Here's how you can answer. I have experience building websites using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and frameworks like React and Angular for front-end development. I have also worked on back-end technologies such as Node.js and PHP, managing databases with MySQL and MongoDB. I have completed several projects where I developed responsive and interactive websites that meet client requirements and provide a seamless user experience. Tip: highlight specific technologies, frameworks, and projects to demonstrate hands-on experience. Question 2. What is the difference between front-end and back-end development? Here's how you can answer. Front-end development involves creating the user interface and ensuring a smooth user experience using technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Back-end development focuses on server-side logic, databases, and application functionality using languages like Node.js, PHP, or Python. Full-stack developers work on both aspects, connecting the front-end interface with the back-end functionality. Tip: show understanding of both aspects of web development and their interdependence. Question 3. How do you optimize website performance? Here's how you can answer. I optimize website performance by minimizing HTTP requests, compressing images, leveraging browser caching, and using efficient coding practices. I also implement lazy loading for images and scripts, optimize database queries, and use content delivery networks, CDNs, to reduce latency. Regular testing and monitoring help maintain optimal performance. Tip: highlight practical techniques and best practices for performance optimization. Question 4. Can you explain responsive web design? Here's how you can answer. Responsive web design ensures that websites adapt to different screen sizes and devices, providing a consistent user experience. I use flexible grids, media queries, and scalable images to make websites accessible on desktops, tablets, and smartphones. Responsive design is crucial for improving user engagement and search engine rankings. Tip: demonstrate knowledge of key concepts and the importance of accessibility. Question 5. How do you handle debugging and troubleshooting code? Here's how you can answer. I handle debugging by first understanding the problem, reproducing the issue, and checking error messages or logs. I use browser developer tools, console outputs, and debugging software to trace issues. Once identified, I test different solutions and verify that the fix resolves the problem without introducing new errors. Tip: emphasize systematic problem-solving, patience, and attention to detail. Question 6. What is your approach to learning new technologies? Here's how you can answer. I stay updated by reading online tutorials, attending webinars, and practicing hands-on projects. I also explore open-source repositories and contribute to projects when possible. Learning new technologies involves understanding core concepts, experimenting with code, and applying knowledge in real projects to build proficiency. Tip: highlight adaptability, continuous learning, and practical application. Question 7. Can you explain the difference between SQL and NoSQL databases? Here's how you can answer. SQL databases are relational, storing structured data in tables with predefined schemas. Examples include MySQL and PostgreSQL. NoSQL databases are non-relational and store unstructured or semi-structured data in formats like key-value pairs, documents, or graphs, such as MongoDB or Redis. SQL is ideal for complex queries and structured data, while NoSQL is suitable for scalable applications with flexible data models. Tip: show understanding of database types, use cases, and advantages. Question 8. How do you ensure website security? Here's how you can answer. I ensure website security by implementing HTTPS, validating input to prevent SQL injection and cross-site scripting, using secure authentication methods, and keeping software up to date. Regularly monitoring for vulnerabilities, performing security audits, and following best practices help protect user data and maintain trust. Tip: demonstrate awareness of security risks and practical mitigation strategies. Question 9. How do you work in a team environment? Here's how you can answer. I collaborate with designers, developers, and project managers by communicating effectively, sharing progress updates, and using version control systems like Git. I participate in code reviews, provide constructive feedback, and coordinate to ensure project milestones are met while maintaining high-quality output. Tip: emphasize teamwork, communication, and collaborative problem-solving skills. Question 10. Why should we hire you as a web developer? Here's how you can answer. You should hire me because I bring a strong foundation in both front-end and back-end development, experience with modern frameworks, and a focus on clean, efficient coding. I am adaptable, proactive in learning new technologies, and committed to delivering high-quality solutions. My problem-solving skills, attention to detail, and ability to work collaboratively make me a valuable asset for your development team. Tip: summarize technical skills, experience, and alignment with the company's goals confidently. Final thoughts. Web developer interviews evaluate candidates on technical knowledge, coding skills, problem-solving abilities, and teamwork. Preparing structured answers, demonstrating hands-on experience, and sharing examples from past projects help candidates stand out. Employers value developers who can write efficient code, troubleshoot issues effectively, and adapt to evolving technologies while collaborating seamlessly with team members. By presenting examples of projects, debugging approaches, and performance optimization techniques, candidates can make a strong impression. Focusing on practical skills, continuous learning, and clear communication ensures that you are seen as a competent, reliable, and innovative web developer ready to contribute effectively to digital projects.